Hi friends, welcome to Jagma Talks. Today, let us have knowledge on income tax slab and income tax rates for individual, resident or non-resident and less than 60 years of age. As you know, today there are two types of tax systems are there. One is existing tax regime, another is new tax regime under section 115 BAC. So let me tell you different income tax rates on income tax slab for existing tax regime. Under existing tax regime, up to 2,50,000 income tax is nil, that is zero. If your income is between 2,50,000 rupee to 5 lakhs, then your income tax rate will be 5% above 2,50,000. If your income is ranging between 5 lakhs 1 rupee to 10 lakhs, then your income tax liability will be 12,500 plus 20% above 5 lakhs. If your income is above 10 lakhs, then your income tax liability will be 1,12,500 plus 30% above 10 lakhs. This is all about existing tax regime, the slabs and income tax rates. Now let us see how it works in case of new tax regime. What are the slabs and what are the income tax rates? Like in the existing tax regime, up to 2,50,000 tax is zero, that is nil under new tax regime also. But under new tax regime, if your income is ranging between 2,50,001 rupee to 5 lakhs, then your tax liability will be 5% above 2,50,000. If your income is ranging between 5 lakh 1 rupee to 7 lakh 50,000, then your tax liability will be under new tax regime 12,500 plus 10% above 5 lakhs. Next comes 7 lakh. If your income is ranging between 7 lakh 50,000 1 rupee to 10 lakhs, then your tax liability will be 37,500 plus 15% above 7 lakh 50,000. So these are all what under new tax regime. If suppose your income is ranging between 10 lakhs 1 to 12 lakh 50,000 under the new tax regime, then the tax liability will be 75,000 plus 20% above 10 lakhs. If your income is ranging between 12 lakh 50,000 1 to 15 lakhs under new tax regime, then your tax liability will be 1,25,000 plus 25% above 12,50,000. If your income is above 15 lakhs under new tax regime, then your income tax liability will be 1,87,500 plus 30% above 15 lakhs. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe.